Hey everyone, welcome back to MetaAI, the place where we explore AI tools that helps your business grow and make money. In today's video, I will show you a really powerful voice agent system. If you are running an e-commerce business and you're tired getting customer requests, messages and answering them, spending hours for customer service, this system can help you. This fully automated customer service, voice agent customer service system works on Vapi and Make.com, and it has custom knowledge base. It means you can give a Excel sheet, you can give an Airtable, you can pull your order from Etsy store or Amazon store, and customer service agent, our customer service agent, will have all information up to date all the time. So it means you will have a customer service agent 24/7. And I will show how you can set up this system step by step. Hey.
Hello, welcome to Matt's Cookies, where every order is baked with love. How can I help you today?
I want to check my order. I want to check my order.
Sure thing. I'd love to check on your cookies for you. Could you please provide your order number so I can track them down for you?
Sure, it's 005.
This will just take a second. Great news, David. Your order of Matt's oatmeal raisin, Matt's chocolate chip, and white mocha cookies, placed on September 27, 2024, is currently being processed. As a special birthday treat, we've included an extra cookie package just for you. Here's your tracking information. Track 54321. Keep an eye out for that delicious delivery. If you have any more questions or just want to chat about cookies, I'm here for you.
Okay, I want to chat about cookies.
Yay! I love chatting about cookies. What's your favorite cookie flavor? Or is there a special cookie memory you'd like to share?
Actually, I want to buy more chocolate cookies.
Great choice, David. Our chocolate chip cookies are a fan favorite. Would you like to order a dozen? Or perhaps try our special double chocolate chunk cookies? They're extra chocolatey and delicious.
I can order actually, but I ordered once and it will be my second time. So is there any discount for me?
Absolutely, David. Since you're a returning customer, I'd love to offer you a sweet deal. You can get 10% off your next order with the code CookieLove. Just use it at checkout.
Oh,
Would
it's
you like me
great.
to place the order for you?
No, I can order anytime, but thank you for sharing this one.
You're welcome, David. Enjoy your cookies. If you ever need more help or just want to chat about cookies again, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a sweet day.
You too, bye. Let's dive into set up this system from scratch together. Yeah. This is our Airtable. In this scenario, I will act like I have a cookie store. We are selling cookies online. So we have two orders from our customers. You can see one from Sarah Johnson and one from Emily Davis. They have order number 001, 003, and they have product, order date, shipping status, and tracking information about this order. Also, there is status too. So, first we will configure our Vapi voice agent. Our voice agent will work on Vapi.com. This is a cutting-edge system. There are many voice agent providers, but I like Vapi because you can customize many areas. You can play with it easily. So that's why we are using Vapi. By the way, Vapi has own knowledge-based solution too. There's a knowledge base on Vapi.com, but we want to have a knowledge base updated from our orders automatically. In Vapi, you can upload your document and you can create your own knowledge base. For example, if you want to answer your customers about your services and your services is stable or it's not changing so much, you can upload your services here and you can create your voice agent customer service easily. But in our scenario, we want to have up-to-date data all the time. That's why we are creating our own knowledge base. So let's check how Vapi works. This is the platform and this is the assistant. I configured this assistant, cookie assistant, and you can see there is model transcriber. You can keep these areas like this. This is deep gram. We are using English. For voice, I use OpenAI Echo, but you can pull your voices from 11 Labs as you can see, and also there are many voice solutions here. There are functions. By the way, it was functions before they changed it, and they are now using tools. This is the updated version of Vapi, so there is no more custom functions on Vapi. If you watch older videos, you can see solutions with custom functions. Now we have tools on Vapi, you can see here, and it works exactly like the custom functions, but when you create a tool, you can use this tool in multiple voice agents, as actually it's more useful. We have advanced settings. We are not changing anything. Now we have analysis. First, we will configure our model here. So this is our school group, classrooms, voice agents. Let's go. Boost your e-commerce sales AI customer service. This is the agent we will create together today. You are the Matt, the virtual assistant for Matt Cookies and online cookie store. You are here to assist customers with their order inquiries while providing a fun and friendly experience. This part is important. You can see we have prompt for Vapi here. So there is a greeting. There are examples how this voice agent will answer to customer. And you can see how the tool will work. We will create a tool together, and we are explaining this voice agent, how this voice agent use this tool. Also, there is providing order details if the order hasn't shipped yet. So we have multiple scenarios for this voice agent, so it can be prepared. The questions coming from the customer. So, example, it seems I couldn't find the order in my cookie jar. We will test this automation, test this voice agent together. You can copy and paste all of this prompt from here, from the screen. You can stop the video, you can get all of them. I'm trying to show you in a proper way, but also you can join our school community, AI automation business, and you can find this one and many more in our community. And if you have a trouble about creating this automation, or if you want customization about automations, we can help you directly, face to face actually. So this is the prompt, and as you can see, I copied and pasted the prompt here. But let me. This is the exact same copy. So you can use actually the prompt for Vapi agent. But if you have another business, you can customize this solution, this prompt totally. The most important part to create this prompt, what a customer can ask this agent, and you have to map, you have to create this scenario in your mind. So you can explain how it will work for voice agent too. When you give the scenario, the voice agents works really well. So you have to think like you are the voice agent and you are trying to answering this customer. And after it, you can create this prompt. Also, you can get it and you can change it. This one also, you can give it a ChatGPT. You can give it normal. You can open a normal ChatGPT window and you can give this prompt, and you can write your business details, and it can change the prompt for your business too. It's really easy. First message is also important because it's always starting the conversation with first message. Now we have assistant here, and as you can see, we are using a tool here. Get order status. We created this tool, and I will show you how you can create this tool too. We have tools here. This is our tool, get order status, and we will create one more again. New tool. When you come to platform and tools, you will click a new tool. It will be make.com tool. By the way, my make account is connected with this platform, so I can directly choose my scenario from here. I can choose my webhook from here. As you can see, we have to create a make scenario for create a tool on Vapi.com. For this, we will go to make.com, and you can see we have a simple webhook scenario for Vapi. This is our webhook. It catch the requests coming from make.com. After that, we have HTTP module. We use HTTP module for send our customer request to our custom knowledge base. We will create all together. And after we have ChatGPT module for format or get information for from this HTTP. How it works? HTTP module sending the request to our chatbot and chatbot answering. HTTP module brings that answer and ChatGPT. By the way, you don't have to use ChatGPT here. I put it just for example because GPT-4 or mini systems really don't spend any money. It's really cheap, and you can format your answer coming from HTTP module thanks to this ChatGPT. Normally, I will use this output, and I am telling for our scenario, I am telling this format answer coming from HTTP to this for webhook because Vapi can understand that's just this format actually. If you don't wanna use ChatGPT module, you can just use this format for your webhook. So you can remove this and you can use this JSON format, and thanks to this, your Vapi tool and Vapi agent will understand answer coming from webhook. But in our scenario, we will use our version actually. Cancel. Vapi we are using our version ChatGPT because maybe you can pull complicated data from knowledge base, and you have to give it to another GPT to understand, facilitate this process. Let's say you are running a clinic and you want to set up this automation system, and there are lots of information about patients actually. Maybe you want to explain current status of recovering process, and it can be a long text, can be something else, it can be multiple data. So thanks to this, we can format our data and we can send the formatted data to our voice agent, and voice agent can work properly. We don't want to give lots of tasks our voice agent because voice agent has to be perfect for our communication. Our client has to satisfy our communication, and we have to facilitate the work of our voice agent. That's why we can use another GPT module in our system, and we can send data properly, as I said. So we are using this one. You don't have to. If you are simple data like this, you can just format your output from this automation as I showed you, and you can send this directly to your voice agent too. Okay, as you can see, we have this information here, and our Flowise chatbot will process this information from our custom knowledge base and will send it to our voice agent back. And thanks to this, our voice agent will answer customer with proper order information. Okay, for create this actually, we have to create our rack system. For this, we will use Flowise chatbot. You can use Flowise locally. You can create in your local machine, but we will use it at cloud because we want to use this. We want to work this system. We want to use this system 24/7. And if we set up this system in cloud, it can work 24/7. For this, we will use render.com. You can see when you go to render.com, you will see your dashboard here. But first, we need to connect our account. You can see there is MathWorks place here, and we will create a web service, and we will create our cloud system for deploy our Flowise. For this, actually, I created another account for you, a fresh new account, and because I have to show you how you can fork, how you can start this process and how you can fork Flowise on GitHub. So we choose web service, and you can see we have to connect our Git provider, so Git provider. For this, we are clicking new here, and we will choose web service, and we have to create our GitHub. We have to connect our GitHub, and for this, we have to fork Flowise at GitHub first. So let's go here. This is my GitHub account. type the search Flowise. When we go, this is the one we will fork, and this is the, as you can see, fork your own copy. We forked, and as you can see, we are create a fork, and tada, it's ready. When you click GitHub, it will connect your GitHub account, and you will authorize render your GitHub here, and you will have your web service actually. And I will show you now how you can configure this. Click here, and you can see you have Met AI Flowise reconnected, and Flowise. We will configure here Flowise to Docker. I will choose this one, Frankfurt. I will choose free, but there's a problem with free. I am choosing free for just show you how it works. But if you want this work all the time, you have to choose a monthly package from here, and this will be enough for you. No need for this. Just $7 will be enough for you. But when you choose free, it will delete your system, your Flowise automatically. So this is just for the test. Now we will configure our name of variable and value part, and I have my ones here. You can create exactly like this, and this is password. One more, sorry, username. This one is password, and the final one is node version. This is important, and this is okay. Now we will deploy our web service here. So we will deploy our web service. It started to work, and it will take a time. You can see it's building, and it will take a few minutes actually. Now it's deployed, and we are ready to use it. You can see, you can click here, and it will open Flowise, and it can take a time because we are using, as I said, we are using free version. The paid version is faster actually. We are waiting for this. It's deployed right now, and we will enter our password and our username, and we set it this one and this one. No need to save it. Okay, we have our Flowise at render at cloud right now. We will add a new Flowise flow, chat flow. And this is chatbot. This chatbot will create our rack system from our Airtable, and we will chat with this Airtable data thanks to this chatbot actually. So first, we have to send Airtable data to Pinecone. Why we are using rack system? Because chatbots, the voice agents, ChatGPT, all of them can process rack system faster than regular data, regular sentences, regular words. So because of it, we are sending our Airtable data to Pinecone, and we will transform it to rack system. For this, we will create chatbot here on the Flowise, and we will add conversational retrieval query chain. We need to add chat module from OpenAI. We added this one here. Now we need a Pinecone module because we will use our rack system. We will store our rack at the Pinecone. You can use your own services if you prefer something else, but Pinecone is really good. We added this one here. For this, as you can see, we need embedding, so we will use OpenAI for embedding. So here, and we need our Airtable too, and we need finally the final module is, as you can see, text splitter. Here. Now let's connect these ones. Chunk size we will say 1050-60 is enough. There's no custom separator here. Let's connect this one here. Okay. Our document will go from Airtable to Pipe, and embeddings coming from OpenAI, and we will use our API keys. I will show how you will connect these ones. Now for this chat model coming from here. Yes, and this coming from, sorry, sometimes it's hard to click. This coming from here, and this is coming from the final part. This is okay. We are ready. Now we can add our credentials. So for the OpenAI, you can go to dashboard and you can create a new secret key here. Let's say Vapi flow. Create a secret key. Late, of course. I will not use it. But for show you, I am entering this. We will click create new. Okay, we have it. One more OpenAI module we have, so again, what? Now we need Pinecone API key. You can go to pinecone.com and here you can get your API keys from here. And you will click create API key. You will give a name and it will be ready. I will use mine. And go. Another one. And now for the last part. And by the way, I will show how you will enter this one too. Or Pinecone index. We will go create an index, and we will give a name. We are using, I will show you. We are using text embedding 02, so we will use 1561536. You can always use this number. We will do serverless cloud provider AWS Virginia create index. It's a free plan, by the way. You can go with a free plan at pinecone.com. It will work for you. We have our Pinecone database. Now, let's say we will copy and here we will write. For the last part, we need Airtable API. So you can create API personal access token here. You can add scope. You will choose all of them actually. We want to share all of the data with our chatbot Flowise. Create a token. You can copy and go back. I will not use this. That one. I will use that one. Vapi. Because let's forget. Okay. Sorry, I didn't put base. We will choose Vapi. Save changes. You need to add base too. You can access your tokens from here. And we will put here. We will put here. These names are not important. You can call it as you want. The important part is configuring Airtable at Flowise. This part actually. We will get this first one. And it's our base ID. Second one is our table ID. And third one is our view ID. Now, I guess everything is okay. Okay, we are using return source document. Now, we are saving. What? Again. We will upsort our data. It can take a time, but not so long actually. Anyway, this is really a professional system. You can transform any data to RAG and you can use it easily in your systems, in your automations. You can pull any data and you can create your own chatbots like here. And upsort is completed and let's check is it working or not. This is our chatbot. And let's say, what was the order number? Order number is 001. Let's say 001. It's checking data and you can see the order number 001 was placed by Sarah Johnson for a product called Matt's Chocolate Chip. Is it correct? Yeah, it's correct. As you can see, we transformed our data to RAG and we are using it in our Flowise. Now, let's create the connection between this chatbot and Vapi. For this, we will use make.com and as you can see, we have our system here, our simple automation for send this to Vapi tool. Let's configure it together. Go back to this and let's create a new scenario. First, we will add our webhook and it will be custom webhook. Create a webhook. It's ready. After it, we need to add a HTTP module. Let's add HTTP module. Make a request. Method is post and raw JSON. We will say no, but we will get our URL for this one from our chatbot actually. We can choose. As you are going this part, you will choose curl and you can copy and paste URL and content coming from actually. Let's copy and paste this, by the way, because we didn't set up our system and we don't have this message in this automation right now, but we will have. And after we need our ChatGPT module for transform our data coming from HTTP. For this, create a completion. We will use for mini because it's enough for us and it's really cheap. And message coming from system, and our prompt is here. You can copy and paste this again, and we have in our resource on in school community we are using this one. And finally we will use webhook for return our answer to Vapi. For body, we are getting the message coming from our ChatGPT module. Now it's ready. There is no data from actually here. So we will put this after running this automation once. Now let's configure this one in Vapi. We will create our tool with this webhook address. Let's give a name this scenario. Okay, and let's save it and save anyway. When we go back our Vapi, you can create connecting with your account, but I am showing you without connecting. You can create your book also. We copy this webhook and paste it here. Let's say save. By the way, we can start this automation here. It will wait for a request. Next, we will add our property, and this get order status I will use, and this is the prompt we are using for this tool. By the way, don't forget to save again because we don't want to lose our Flowise chatbot. It's free and it will be deleted. Okay, and again in the status. Great. We have our tool here, and when we choose our assistant from here, let's choose. You can see I can choose get order status. It's totally okay. I choose this one. I will call one time for test and send the request actually to make.com. After it, I will configure again. Let's check how it's work.
Hello, welcome to Matt's Cookies, where every order is baked with love. How can I help you today? Could you please provide your order number so I can look up your order details?
Sure, it's 001.
Hold on a sec. Thank you. Let me check that for you. Please hold on a moment while I fetch the details for order number 003. Great news, Sarah. Placed on September 25th, 2024, has been shipped and is on its way to your door.
Okay, you can see how it's working actually. This is the old one. Now we have our connection, so you will see. Okay, we have this one here and this one. As I said, you can use directly, you can delete this ChatGPT module and you can format your output like this in the last webhook module, so you can get the result from HTTP module immediately. But let's check again. Let me add one more 005 Matt. No, let's say David. Let's say right local. And date is, let's use this one. And order status is processing, and track is, and let's say change it. And what can we do? We can customize these parts actually. What is this? Let's check edit field, single select. Let's transform it to single line text. And let's say this is birthday of David. That's why I give extra gift a cookie package for him. Okay, this is our new information. Let's go back, and we don't want to lose our one. Let's upstart again. By the way, you can see our pinecone data is here, vectors stored here. We have all, and let's call our, and let's say hey, just hey. Let's publish again. I can call from my phone too. I can call this assistant directly from my phone, and let's check how it's worked. Hey.
Hello, welcome to Matt's Cookies, where every order is baked with love. How can I help you today?
I want to check my order. Sorry, I want to check my order.
Sure thing. I'd love to check on your cookies for you. Could you please provide your order number so I can track them down for you?
Sure, it's 005.
This will just take a sec. Great news, David. Your order of Matt's oatmeal raisin, Matt's chocolate chip, and white mocha cookies, placed on September 27th, 2024, is currently being processed. As a special birthday treat, we've included an extra cookie package just for you. Here's your tracking information. Track 54321. Keep an eye out for that delicious delivery. If you have any more questions or just want to chat about cookies, I'm here for you.
Okay, I want to chat about cookies.
Yay! I love chatting about cookies. What's your favorite cookie flavor? Or is there a special cookie memory you'd like to share?
Actually,
I'm
I
all
want to
ears.
buy more chocolate cookies.
Great choice, David. Our chocolate chip cookies are a fan favorite. Would you like to order a dozen? Or perhaps try our special double chocolate chunk cookies? They're extra chocolatey and delicious.
I can order actually, but I ordered once and it will be my second time. So is there any discount for me?
Absolutely, David. Since you're a returning customer, I'd love to offer you a sweet deal. You can get 10% off your next order with the code CookieLove. Just use it at checkout.
Oh,
Would
it's
you like me
great.
to place the order for you?
No, I can order anytime, but thank you for sharing this one.
You're welcome, David. Enjoy your cookies. If you ever need more help or just want to chat about cookies again, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a sweet day.
You too, bye. As you can see, it's work really well, and we customize this together. It get the information that we have birthday today, and that's why when we wrote here, we are gifting an extra cookie package for David, and our voice agent customer service told David really cute way and good way actually. You can customize this for any scenario. It's working really well for any scenario because you are creating your own custom knowledge database thanks to rack system. So what you can do with this system? With a few tweaks, this system can be customized to fit your own business, no matter what industry you are in. You can have a clinic and you can send custom messages. You can transform this is an inbound call service, but you can transform it, you can change it to outbound one, and we will show how it's worked too. And you can send messages, you can call your clients for checkup days, their birthdays, or you can transform it for your cafe. But most importantly, if you have Etsy store, for example, you can use the system as e-commerce customer service agent, and when customers open case at Etsy, Etsy was giving refund automatically without asking you. You don't have so much time, and people around the world shopping from that site. Also, it works Amazon too. People around the world shopping from Amazon, and you can provide them 24/7 customer service and this customer service always will know their order, always will know their needs. Also, this customer service has upselling skills, so you can give them refunds. You can customize this system, Airtable data, and you can create whole new experience for your customers. So you can get great reviews. Also, you can prevent refunds and canceling orders. That's why using these systems are important. Also, this system can protect your data. When you share your data with outsider, a person, a VA, they get your connections, they get your orders, and sometimes, unfortunately, not all of them, but sometimes they are selling. Sometimes they are trying to create their own businesses. But in this way, when you use your AI voice agent as customer service, you will protect your data too. So this is the future of customer services. Also, this is the future of lots of service. For example, voice agents will give health advices. Voice agents will give love advices. Voice agents will check your fat burn, exercise routines, and you can talk with them anytime you want. And it's not so costly. Actually, it's cheaper than the talking with a human or hiring a human for your business. So, if you want to create similar system for your business, or maybe you have something else in your mind, you can right under the video. Also, you can join our AI Automation Business School community for connect with other ones and create more sophisticated solutions together. We will help you with face-to-face when you need in this community. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will try to share new tutorials a few times in a week so you can grow your business and you can make money thanks to AI. If you want to catch them too, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.